Okay, so I bought salmon from Publix. So let me show it. Bristol Bay salmon is just 1.19 pounds, $18.43 salmon. And also I bought this fish, tilapia, right? It's about the same weight, 1.22 pounds, $12.85 from Publix. So I'm gonna make a nice dish with we have boiled potatoes, garlic, and onion to use. Okay, we chopped the fish, as you see, tilapia and salmon, and in a moment we're gonna use them. All right, we are starting cooking. So our oil is ready. Right. The onion. Okay, garlic first. Chopped garlic, and then onion, the potatoes in. I boiled the potatoes beforehand. Let me bring fish. Ta 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 ta! Here is our fish, chopped before, ready to blend in. Alright, let's stir them all together. And we will put some soy sauce. Here we go. It has some salt, so I don't need to put some salt. Hey! And then let's cover and let it cook. It's almost ready. I am putting some lemon juice. You can use real lemon if you want, and you can add any herbs that you like. You can add celery, parsley, mint, whatever you like. I'm gonna put some black pepper after it's ready. Alright, let's add some black pepper, and it's ready. Enjoy!